In the early to mid-1980s, Jimmy Page, no longer tied to Led Zeppelin, was enjoying a period of creative freedom, taking on a variety of musical projects on his own terms. In 1982, he composed the soundtrack for Death Wish 2. The following year, he performed at the Arms Benefit concert, and in 1984, he released a successful EP with the Honey Drippers. His schedule in 1985 was particularly packed. He participated in Led Zeppelin's notable, if controversial, reunion at Live Aid, recorded with both the Rolling Stones and The Firm, and collaborated with Roy Harper on the album Whatever Happened to Jugula? Page was essentially popping up all over the place, which made his appearances with the Beach Boys on July 4, 1985, feel more like a fun cameo than a shock. That day, he joined the band for a daytime performance in Philadelphia, and later that evening, he flew to Washington, D.C., to join them once more on stage. At both shows, he used his signature Fender Telecaster equipped with a B-bender, an instrument he frequently played during that era. His presence in Philadelphia also coincided with preparations for the upcoming Live Aid event at JFK Stadium, which would take place on July 13th. In a memorable moment, Page, dressed in a Hawaiian shirt, performed Little Richard's Lucille with the Beach Boys during the Philly show. The mix gave his Telecaster a strong presence. The camera work captured the performance well, and band members like Mike Love, Al Jardine, and Bruce Johnston gave Page ample space to show off his skills. Playing in A major, his solo even echoed licks reminiscent of Led Zeppelin's rock and roll. The footage then transitions to the evening concert in Washington, D.C., where Page, now sporting a short-sleeved tan shirt, joined the band for renditions of Surfin' USA and Barbara Ann. Notably, he delivered a lively solo during the latter, which kicks in around the 7:43 mark of the performance video. Moments like these are also a reminder of the joy in watching Carl Wilson, the late Beach Boys guitarist who passed away in 1998, performing alongside his longtime bandmates.